Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we are going to be booking a time slot via our API. So to begin, let's head over to Account Integrations, APIs in Webhook. Here, copy your API key. Next, let's head over to the developers.onceHub page and select Book a Time Slot option. Now, paste your API in the header and you are ready to use this API function. We will need a couple of details, that is the booking calendar ID and the start time. To get the booking calendar ID, head over to List All Booking Calendars option. Here, once you paste the API key in the header and click on Try It, all the booking calendars in your account will be listed here along with their IDs. So we will be booking a discovery call. So let's copy the booking calendar ID for this particular booking calendar. Head back to the Book a Time Slot page, paste our booking calendar ID here. The next thing that we need is the start time. To get the start time, head over to Get Available Time Slots for Booking Calendar. Paste your API key in the header. Enter the booking calendar ID in the ID string and try it. So this will list all the start times that are available in this particular booking calendar. This will also give you the type of meeting that is available. That is all the virtual meeting, the phone meeting type, and the physical meeting, like a physical face-to-face in-person meeting with the location details as well. So let's go ahead and take this particular start time and head back to the Book a Time Slot page. Paste your start time here. Now, the guest time zone needs to be in the IANA format. So let's say US Eastern. Now, next comes the booking form options. For the example or for the purpose of this video, I will only be using the name. Let's call our guest as Bob and guest. And let their email be bobgust example. Now, in your API tool, you will definitely have the option to go ahead and include or add all the custom fields as well. And that is something that we'll not do in this demo, but yeah, that is available in your API tool, where you would just need to go ahead and replace the string custom field with the mapped field name of your custom field. But here for this video, we already have the name, the email, the start time, the time zone. Let's also confirm the location. In the location object, we will have a virtual meeting. Then let's say it's a Zoom meeting. Okay, so we have all the details, the customer details, the location, the start time. Let's click on Try It. That schedules the meeting. Here is your booking ID. So let's go ahead and take a look into the OnceHub account as well. So here we have the meeting for Bob, the guest. Okay. So that's how you can book a meeting via our API. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.